Struggling to turn your biggest business challenge into a clear, actionable plan? Imagine if you had an AI-powered assistant that could do that for you in minutes. Let me show you how our custom AI tool can guide you step by step. We've developed a custom AI assistant designed specifically for business executives. It helps you refine your problem, explore tailored solutions, and generate a clear action plan, all in just a few simple steps. Whether it's improving your sales strategy, optimizing operations, or solving a major challenge, our AI tool is here to help. Let's start with a common business challenge, sales growth. Simply enter your challenge into the GPT. The assistant will find the problem by breaking it down into specific factors. For example, it might ask you questions to focus on customer retention, lead generation, or optimizing the sales process. Once the problem is refined, the assistant offers tailored solutions. In this case, it might suggest improving lead nurturing, optimizing your sales funnel, or even targeting a new customer segment. These solutions are based on real business strategies ready for you to implement. Now, for the best part, turning these solutions into an action plan. The assistant will break it down into clear, actionable steps. For example, it might outline tasks like revising your CRM system, assigning team members specific goals, or creating a timeline for new lead generation efforts. But it doesn't stop there. The assistant can also help with execution, guiding you through each step, execute prompts, tracking progress, or even suggesting the next steps as you move through the plan. This AI assistant is fully adaptable to your business needs. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or operations, it's designed to provide tailored solutions. It's not just about planning, it's about helping you take action quickly and effectively. With this AI assistant, you can go from being overwhelmed by business challenges to having a clear, actionable plan faster and more effectively than ever. Save time, gain clarity, and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Are you ready to create your own action plan? Visit the link below to save time and get unstuck. Input your own business challenge and see how quickly you can turn it into an action plan. Try it for free today.